How many of you, like me, drive an SUV? And how many of you love and use that rear cargo area? And lastly, how many of you, like me, want to protect your rear cargo carpeting? Look guys, this is a quick video showing a product I found that does just that. Taking a peek in the back of my wife's 2005 GMC Envoy, you can see this sucker is clean. All of this carpet is in great condition, barely used at all, no rips, stains, nothing like that. But you can see right here, there is a couple scuffs and scratches. Even this sill area is very, very clean with no scratches to speak of. The thing is guys, there is something you can do to keep this looking new. Now, you might have guessed it. You just put a mat down, like a rubber mat, something thick, something that's going to protect the carpet, and even the side paneling. All right, well, this is what I found. It's by WeatherTech, of course, and this one is their universal cargo mat. This product is very affordable. So I thought I'd give it a try on camera and we can see just how this thing fits and looks. I do like that it is proudly designed, engineered, manufactured with American-made tooling in the USA. And if you were wondering what the exact measurements are, here are the specs listed on the side of the box. All right, so let's go ahead and open this thing up and check out what it looks like. It's rolled up. So this is how it comes, rolled up inside the box. Let's go ahead and unroll this thing. Look at that fit, guys. It almost fits absolutely perfect, like it was made for this thing. Holy smokes, guys, look at how perfect this thing fits. You can see this design allows for us to do a really custom cut. I could cut some of this out to make it fit perfectly, but as I showed you, I do have some scuffs here. So I think that this panel leaning right up against that is actually perfect for what I need. And here you can see on the other side, the same thing goes. It seems to be laying perfectly on this panel. I'm just gonna go ahead and leave that too so that it gets a little extra protection there. Now taking a look at the rest of it, it all seems to fit absolutely perfectly. I couldn't ask for anything more. The material itself feels very grippy. You do have these little pop-outs to help keep your cargo in one spot, and you do have a ridge here. If you have a spill, this should be able to catch it. And taking a look at the bottom here, you can see there are these spikes that help to keep it in place. Overall, I gotta say, I am really impressed by this. For the price I paid, which was just around $30, this is a steal. I have great protection of the carpet and some of the side panels. It looks good and it fits perfectly. What more could you ask for? All right, guys, well, this was a very short video. I just wanted to show you this because I thought it was really cool. I'll go ahead and put a link down in the description below this video if you're interested. Other than that, you can find me on social media at One Road Garage and my website at oneroadgarage.com. I'm Jimmy, this is One Road, and I will see you in the next one.